Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ansari Farzana Veduzama, Department of Chemistry, JT Senior College, Malegaon. Welcome all of you. We have seen in the previous section molar analytical concentration. The molar analytical concentration is the total number of moles of the solute without considering chemical state of solute in 1 liter of the solution. The molar analytical concentration describes how a solution of a given concentration can be prepared. The molar analytical concentration or analytical concentration of a solution gives the total number of moles of solute in 1 liter of the solution, or the total number of millimole in 1 milliliter of the solution. In other words, the molar analytical concentration is the molar concentration of solute. For example, molar concentration is also the molar analytical concentration of ethanol C2H5OH in aqueous solution, because ethanol does not undergo any chemical changes. So, molar equilibrium concentration is the molar concentration of particular species in a solution. The molar equilibrium concentration or equilibrium concentration refers to the molar concentration of the particular species or solute in a solution at equilibrium. To specify the molar equilibrium concentration of solute, it is necessary to know how the solute behave when it is dissolved in a solute. For example, the molar equilibrium concentration of HCl in solution with molar analytical concentration is 1 molar is actually 0.001 molar, because the hydrochloric acid is strong electrolyte which dissociate completely in the mixture of H plus and Cl minus ion. There are essentially no undissociated HCl molecule in the solution. Therefore, the equilibrium concentration of H and Cl ion are 1 molar each. Equilibrium molar concentration are usually symbolized by placing a square bracket around the chemical formula for the species. So, for the solution of HCl with the analytical concentration of 1 molar, we write the molar equilibrium concentration of species in solution as bracket HCl is equal to 0.00 molar, H plus ion is 1 molar, and HCl minus is 1 molar. Sorry, in the previous section we have seen that 1 molar is actually 0.001 molar. That means HCl when completely dissociate, so concentration of HCl becomes 0 and concentration of H plus and Cl minus ion becomes 1.0 molar. Percent concentration. Analytical chemists also commonly express concentration of the solution in the terms of percent or parts per hundred. The percent composition of a solution can be expressed in several ways. There are 3 common methods to express the percent concentration as weight percent. It is symbolized as W upon W. Weight of solute in gram divided by weight of solution in gram into 100 is called as weight percent. Volume percent, volume, or it is the ratio of volume of solute in milliliter to the volume of the solution in milliliter into 100 is called as volume percent. Weight percent to the volume percent, weight of the solute in gram divided by volume of the solution in ml into 100 is called as weight to volume percent, W upon V. Weight percent is commonly used to express the concentration of commercial aqueous reagents. For example, nitric acid is sold as 7% W by W solution, meaning that the reagent contains 70 gram of nitric acid per 100 gram of the solution. Volume percent is commonly used to specify the concentration of a solution prepared by diluting a pure liquid compound with another liquid. For example, 5% V upon V aqueous solution of the methanol commonly describe a solution prepared by diluting 5 ml of pure methanol with enough water to give the 100 ml solution. Weight to the volume percent is often used to indicate the composition of dilute aqueous solution of solid reagent. For example, 8% W upon V, that means weight to volume ratio. Aqueous sodium chloride usually referred to a solution prepared by dissolving 8 gram of the sodium chloride in sufficient water to give the 100 ml of the solution. Parts per million, parts per billion, parts per thousand. It is also the mode of expressing the concentration. Parts per million, it is denoted with the help of ppm. Parts per billion, ppb, and parts per thousand, ppt is convenient way to express concentration of very dilute solution. In IUPAC terminology, parts per billion, parts per million, and parts per thousand are the mass concentration parts per million, it is the number of parts of solute per million part of solution. A common rule for calculating parts per million is to remember that for dilute aqueous solution whose densities are approximately 1 gram per ml, so 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per ml. That means C ppm, mass of the solute in gram divided by mass of solution into 10 raised to 6. C ppm means mass of the solute in milligram divided by volume of the solution in milliliter into ppm. More conveniently, it is also defined as 1 ppm is the 1 milligram of solute in 1 liter of the solution. In other words, the mass of concentration expressed in gram per gram is a factor of 10 raised to 0 larger than the mass concentration expressed in milligram per liter. Therefore, if we wish to express the mass concentration in ppm and unit are milligram per liter, we merely use ppm. If it is expressed in gram per gram, we must multiply the ratio by 10 ppm. Parts per billion, it is the number of parts of the solute per billion parts of the solution. It is expressed as the parts per concentration is parts per billion is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by mass of solution in gram into 10 raised to 9. Concentration of parts per million is the mass of solute parts per thousand. Sorry, here there is a small mistake. PPT, parts per thousand. It is the number of parts of the solute per thousand parts of the solution. It is expressed as PPT is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by mass of solution in gram into 10 raised to 3 is called as parts per thousand. The concentration the composition of dilute solution is sometimes specified in terms of volume of a more concentrated solution and the volume of the solvent used in diluting it. The volume of the former is separated from that of the latter by colon. For example, a 1:4 HCl solution contains 4 volume of water for each volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid. This method of notation is not commonly used to express the concentration of the original solution. Moreover, under some circumstances, 1:4 means dilute 1 volume with 3 volume. Because of such uncertainties, we should avoid using the solution diluent volume ratio. P function. Scientists frequently express the concentration of a solute species in terms of its p function or p value. For example, during reaction, a reactant concentration may change by many order of magnitude. If we are interested in viewing the progress of these reactions graphically, we might wish to plot the reactant concentration as a function of time or as a function of volume of the reagent being added to the reaction. The plot of molar concentration of H plus ion is plotted as a function of volume of NaOH added to the solution of HCl. The initial concentration of H plus ion is 0.10 molar and its concentration after adding 75 milliliter of NaOH is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 molar. We can easily follow changes in the H plus ion over the first 14 addition of NaOH. For the last 10 addition of NaOH, however, changes in the H plus ion are too small to be seen. When working with the concentration that span many order of magnitude, it is often more convenient to express the concentration as a p function. The p value is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the molar concentration of that solute species. Thus, for the solute species X, it becomes P suffix X. Thank you for paying attention.